As he addressed the controversial issue of Kosovo, UN Chief Ban Ki-moon knew his proposal would not be embraced by all.
To many, it may not be fully satisfying because it does not completely meet the aspirations of any of the key stakeholders. Indeed, it is not a winner-take-all solution.
The Secretary General presented his report on Kosovo, calling for the reconfiguration of the UN mission in the breakaway province. The move would grant the European Union greater responsibility over areas including international policing, justice, and customs in Kosovo. Over time, the UN's oversight would in fact be reduced. Serbian President Boris Tadic addressed the Security Council, rejecting any changes on the ground.
This illegal act, intended to implement the Ahtisaari proposal, has not received the endorsement of this Council and therefore carries no legal weight whatsoever. The report says that it tries to remove from UNMIC its current powers.
Under Security Council Resolution 1244, the UN has supervised the breakaway province since NATO's 1999 bombing of Yugoslavia. Kosovo unilaterally declared independence in February, with some 43 UN member states now recognizing its sovereignty. Many EU countries and the U.S. back Ban Ki-moon's proposal. Russia, which opposes Kosovo's western-backed secession, has blocked the mission's withdrawal after 9 years of administering the breakaway territory.
We believe that any actions to hand over the UN mandate in Kosovo to the European Union are unacceptable. The attempts of the UN interim administration to reconfigure the mission without the consent of the Security Council has undermined the UN's authority.
Russia is calling for more dialogue between Belgrade and Pristina, but the president of Kosovo, Fatmir Sejju, dismissed the option.
There will be no negotiations we'll take part in regarding the topic of the status of Kosovo.
The Secretary General says the 2,200-strong EU rule of law mission would work under the umbrella of UNMIC and in conjunction with Resolution 1244. The Secretary General says the United Nations remains neutral over Kosovo's status. However, his position on granting the EU a greater role in the breakaway province puts him clearly in line with member states that have supported Kosovo's unilateral independence. Marina Portnaya, RT.